For more Bollywood gossip, hit the bell icon and never miss a video.
कि एक ही मज़हब को टारगेट करके उसी के अंदर से सारी चीज़ें निकाला जा रही है। ट्रिपल तलाक, हलाला। अरे भाई तुमको क्या परवाह है? इतनी क्यों योगी जी और मोदी जी मुसलमानों की बेटियों की और बहुओं की चिंता कर रहे हैं? सर, हिंदुओं की भी बेटियां हैं, सिखों की भी बेटियां हैं, कैथलिक की भी बेटियां हैं और सबकी तलाक होती है। और हाई रेशो तलाक के मामले में मुसलमानों का नहीं है सर, आप वर्ल्ड रिसर्च कर लीजिए। तो ये मामलों में घुसना अच्छी बात नहीं है। देश का सुधारा करो। पहले जो हमारे नोटबंदी हुई थी उसका जो फ़ायदा बताया था आपने कि 50 दिन में मैं देश बदल दूंगा, बहुत फ़ायदा दूंगा, तो वो फ़ायदा बता दीजिए। वो अभी तक किसी को पता नहीं चला। गरीब मारे घर, जो आटे के डब्बे में बेचारी औरतें पैसे छुपाती थी काम कर करके, काम वाली बाई है, जो गरीब रिक्शा वालों की बीवी, जिनको अनपढ़ गवार है, जिनको पढ़ा लिखा नहीं है, वो बेचारे सब लोग जिनके अकाउंट नहीं थे उनके पैसों का भी हिसाब नहीं हुआ। गैस का बाटला 300 रुपये का था, 1200 का हो गया। पेट्रोल 30 रुपये का था, 70 रुपये का हो गया। सर, रहबर है अगर आप तो मंजिल का पता दो, बिगड़े हुए हिंदुस्तान के हालात बना दो। आएंगे अच्छे दिन, ये यकीन है हमें। कब आएंगे ये भी बता दो, और ये जो नफरत की दीवारें हैं वो भी गिरा दो सर।
Well, Sonu Nigam shaved off his head after a fatwa was issued challenging the singer after his statements on azan and how loudspeakers should be avoided. Well, Sonu never meant to hurt any religious sentiments, but it has gone haywire. And now it has come to this junction where the curly-haired singer has gone to a pale-shaven bald look. After all, it is Sonu we are talking about, and we know how determined he is. Well, it is none other than Anupam Kher who has appreciated Sonu Nigam's daring approach of shaving off his head, and considering that Anupam himself is a determined actor, this is something that is appreciable. Anupam himself, a veteran actor, has a niche for himself in Bollywood, and with the statement "Bande mein dum hai," we are reminded of times when Narendra Modi also was referred to in the same way. Anyway, we are glad to see Sonu in his full form. What say? Well, it is none other than popular comedian Sunil Grover or Rinku Bhabi or Dr. Mashur Gulati who stood up to the famous singer Sonu Nigam's stand on azan. For those who are not aware, let us tell you that Sonu Nigam recently entered media fire and public ire when he made a point on the context of azan in mosque. He viewed it as a disturbance and insisted one does not need loudspeakers to have a religious event. Well, Sonu's intentions were right, but they are being now read as being anti-Muslim. Yes, you heard us right. And this is the reason Sunil Grover decided to clear some air by standing up for the actor by saying whatever he had to. Sunil would have a direct impact on the audience as he is fresh from the Kapil Sharma spat incident wherein he is no longer seen on the famous comedy show. As for the support he has given Sonu, well, we guess the issue has a long way to go. Hai na?